Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. So in this video you are going to learn how to receive WhatsApp alerts when product goes out of stock in WooCommerce, right? So let's see what is happening here. So you have received a new order on WooCommerce store, and with that order the product that has been purchased get out of stock. It got sold out, and you are the owner of that store, so you want that whenever your product get out of stock from that store, you will receive an alert on the WhatsApp message here automatically. So now let's talk about the applications we are using. So guys, WooCommerce is an online e-commerce platform in which you can create your e-commerce store and sell your products online. And WhatsApp, as you already know, is a widely used instant messaging application. Now suppose that you have created a e-commerce store with the help of WooCommerce, right? Then you manage the inventory, you update the inventory here in WooCommerce store, that you have such and such products and the quantities of the products you updated here in a WooCommerce store, and you publish that store. Now your customers start purchasing your product, and as and when any of your product get out of stock or sold out, you want at intimation immediately so that you can update your e-commerce store or you can update your inventory, and you want that intimation on your WhatsApp account. Now to get this done you have two ways. One is that keep regularly checking your online WooCommerce store that if any of the products get sold out or exhausted, and then if anyone is doing that, the person will come to the WhatsApp account and send you a message alert that this product gets sold out and you need to update the inventory in WooCommerce store. Now this process can be very tiresome, repetitive and problematic. So we have a better way for you. What if I tell you that as and when any of your product gets sold out or exhausted from your WooCommerce online selling platform, an intimation or alert about that sold out get automatically delivered to you on your WhatsApp account. Yes guys, this can happen, and this can be done by connecting these two applications, which is WooCommerce and WhatsApp. But the issue is there is no direct connection or integration present between WooCommerce and WhatsApp. So to connect these two applications, I am using a software called as Pabbly Connect. So guys, Pabbly Connect is an automation and integration software, and the best part of it is that you will not require any coding skills or programming knowledge to make this connection between WooCommerce and WhatsApp. So now let me give you a demo on my screen of how this connection between WooCommerce store and WhatsApp is going to work in real time.
Guys, this is a store I have created with the help of a WooCommerce platform, and the name is Freshly. And in the store I have these two products, a Canon DSLR camera and an HP laptop that I'm selling, right? And this HP laptop is only one available in my stock or in my inventory. So I'll show you my inventory here. So I am in the plugin of WooCommerce in my WordPress, and here you can see in this products section I have these products, which is the HP laptop and the Canon DSLR. So you can see Canon DSLR is in stock and we have 3 cameras left, and this HP laptop is only one left in stock. Alright, so what I'm going to show you is that I will purchase this product on the behalf of my customer, and this is my WhatsApp account. Alright, so after purchasing of this product, I want to know that this product of mine get out of stock from my store, online store, so that I can update my inventory or I can add more products in my inventory and purchase more products to sell online. Alright, so for this I want to know in a message that my product get out of stock. So let me buy this product on the behalf of my customer. I'm adding this product to cart, and from here I'm going to proceed to checkout. So I am filling the details of the customer like this, and after this I'm going to select cash on delivery and place order. So the order is received, order is placed here. All right. So you can see we have received a new message here in the WhatsApp. Let's check what it is saying. So the message is this. It is saying, hey 𝗪𝗚𝗍𝗯𝗯𝗪𝗏, this is an alert informing you that the product name HP laptop ID this has gone out of stock. All right. So this is kind of alert message I have received that my product is out of stock. So I'll go in my inventory and I can update the product or uh, purchase products for entering here in my inventory. So this is how it is going to work. And now you guys are wondering how I managed to bring this message here without any manual compilation of the message, as in when a customer of mine purchased my product and it goes out of stock. So guys, let me give you the easiest possible steps by which you can also make this integration or connection between your online store, online WooCommerce store and the WhatsApp account. So guys, these are the 3 easy steps by which you can also make this integration or connection between WooCommerce and WhatsApp. So step 1 is connect Pabbly Connect to WooCommerce with the help of webhook URL. So first of all, we are going to open Pabbly Connect and connect our WooCommerce store to Pabbly Connect. Step 2 is collect the data from WooCommerce in Pabbly Connect. So in second step, we'll bring the data of purchase or customers here in Pabbly Connect from WooCommerce. And the third step is send the same data to WhatsApp as a new message via 360 Dialog. So in the last step, we are going to deliver the data as a new message here on WhatsApp account. And to do that, we are going to use another application which is 360 Dialog. So I'll tell you what 360 Dialog is later on in this video. First of all, let's jump back to our step 1 and open Pabbly Connect. So now open your browser and type here Pabbly, that is pabbly.com. So this is the landing page of Pabbly. From here, put your cursor on this products icon and click on connect. So now you can set up your free Pabbly Connect account in just 2 minutes by clicking on this sign up free button, which I have already done. So I'm clicking on sign in directly. So after signing in, this all apps section of Pabbly will open up. From here, you have to come to this connect panel and click on access now. So this is the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. To start working here, you have to create workflows like these. So to create a workflow, you just have to click here on this create workflow button. And here you have to enter a relevant name to your workflow. So you can give any name. So I have filled the name like this, WooCommerce store product update on WhatsApp. Now I am clicking on create here. So as a workflow get created, you will see these 2 things, the trigger and the action. So Pabbly Connect work on these 2 things. The trigger says when this happens, action says Pabbly Connect do this. Alright, as in our use case, the trigger would be a new purchase happening in WooCommerce store and the action would be update about that product on my WhatsApp account. Alright, so first of all, you have to click on this trigger option. And from the choose app, you have to choose your application as WooCommerce. So after this, you have to select the action, the trigger event, and the trigger event would be product update. This is product updated option. Click on it and it will generate this URL. So this is called as a webhook URL. So you just have to copy this URL from here and you have to go to the WooCommerce settings. So I'm going to my WooCommerce settings. So this is the WooCommerce plugin we have, and from here you have to click on settings, and in the settings you will find this advanced option. Click on it, and in the advanced option you will find here the webhooks option. Here in the page setup, click on the webhooks option. Alright, after this you can add a webhook here by clicking on this add webhook button. Click on it. Alright, so you can give a name to your webhook here. So I am giving it as product out of stock, right? And then click on this status as active, and in the topic select the topic as product updated this, and in this delivery URL you have to paste the copied webhook that you have copied from Pabbly Connect here like this. So paste it here in this delivery URL and click on save webhook. So after this you can see the webhook updated is successfully, it is showing here. And let's see in the Pabbly Connect. In Pabbly Connect it started showing this webhook ID is created and the value is 11. Alright, so that means we are connected with our WooCommerce store. Now what you have to do, now it is time for our second step, which is to bring the data from WooCommerce store to here in Pabbly Connect. Alright, so I'm going to click on this recapture webhook response now like this, and it will start showing waiting for webhook response again. So what I'm going to do now, I'll make another purchase from my store and I have updated my inventory. Now I have make this Canon DSLR camera in store as the quantity as 1. So now this Canon DSLR camera is left with only one quantity. Alright, so only one camera is left in my store. So let us make a purchase of this DSLR camera now. So now I am in my store and here I am going to purchase this Canon DSLR. So I am adding it to cart. Let's check out. So here I am, proceed to checkout, and the details of the customer is this Varun Kumar, and all the details is already filled here. Let it be the same details. And now I'm selecting cash on delivery and placing this order. So the order is received, the order has been successful. Now let's check in Pabbly Connect if it has captured something. So you can see it has captured the data. That means the connection is very well working. So you can see that it created the product ID. The name is Canon DSLR. Alright, and all this data is captured here. You can see. Now what you have to do is to come here below and click on this action window here, and here I am going to apply a function by Pabbly which is called filter. So this is filter here. So in this filter it is asking for select label. So in this label I am going to select this field. Let me show you here in the data that we have captured in the first step. Here you can see this stock status level, stock status field. Here it is showing the stock as out of stock, because that was the last camera left in our store. So it is showing the status out of stock. So I am going to select this label from this select label option. You will find this WooCommerce product update option. Click on it and you will find all the data here, and from here only you will find the label as stock status. Just scroll a bit more and it will be there. So this is stock status label. So select this stock status and in filter type, make this filter type equals to, and here in the value just put this out of stock. Just copy this and put this in this value. So what we are doing, actually we are saying Pabbly Connect that whenever this stock status starts showing out of stock, then only send the message to me. Alright, so when you click here on save and send test request, it will show you the status as success and the message's condition is true. Alright, that means the product is really out of stock and now we are going to deliver a message. So now it is time to execute our next step. So let me show you the step. So the next and final step is send the same data to WhatsApp as a new message via 360 Dialog. Now we are going to send the alert message from Pabbly Connect to WhatsApp by using another application which is 360 Dialog. So now I'll tell you what 360 Dialog is and how we are going to use it. So in Pabbly Connect, click on this plus icon and another action window will open up, and from this window choose your application as 360. This is WhatsApp by 360 Dialog. Choose it and in this action event you have to select send template messages. Alright, now you guys are wondering why we are using this application. So guys, to send messages on WhatsApp, you must have the access of WhatsApp's chat API. So 360 Dialog is an application which have the official access of WhatsApp's chat API. So by using this application, you can send messages on WhatsApp directly and very easily. So now click on connect here, and from here select this add new connection, and then it will ask for these two things, the API key and the domain. So to find these two things, you have to go to your 360 Dialog account. Alright, so let me bring you to my 360 Dialog account. So this is my 360 Dialog account. So you can also make your own 360 Dialog account, and to do that you can use a link in our description box. By going through that link, you can avail 360 Dialog services in very affordable prices. All right, and we have also pasted another link in the description in which we have explained how to use 360 Dialog, so you can also check that. So in 360 Dialog account, when you click here on WhatsApp accounts, you will find this option, generate API key. So by clicking here, you can generate your own key and fill it here in this API key option. And in the domain, you can just put this example, which is this URL. And when you generate your own key, you will find the domain name also. So in most of the cases, generally the domain remain the same, but when you generate a key, you will get the domain name as well. All right, so I have already made a connection before with my 360 Dialog account, so I am using existing connection here and clicking on save. So it is started showing connected. Now it is asking for the template name. So what is this template? Let me bring you to my 360 account again, and here I'm opening this manage templates option. So these are the templates I have in my 360 Dialog account. So let me open one for you. Let me open this. So actually, what are these templates? These templates are nothing but the messages or predefined message structures that you are going to send to your customers, to clients, or to yourself, or to whomever you want to send WhatsApp message. So to send messages, you have to create templates here in 360 Dialog. All right. So to avoid spamming, WhatsApp has this criteria that you have to make templates, and then when you can make the template by clicking here on add template, and here you can enter the template name, and from this category option you can select the categories. From this option you can select the language, and here you can enter your message that you want to send. And when you submit this template here, WhatsApp's parent company, that is Facebook, will review your template and get your template approved. All right, so generally it took 30 minutes to 48 hours to get a template approved. Typically it will be done in few hours. So as and when your template got approved, you can use those templates to send messages on WhatsApp very easily. All right, so in Pabbly Connect, it is asking for which template you want to use. So when you click here, you will find the list of all the approved templates you have in your 360 Dialog account. And for this task, I am going to use this outstock template. All right. So after this namespace field get automatically filled. You do not have to enter anything. In the language code, it will select the code as EN for English. Do not worry. Here you have to enter the mobile number of the recipient of the WhatsApp message. So I am the recipient of the message, so I am going to fill here my number only. Right, so you have to fill the number in this format. You have to put +, then fill the number with the country code, which is 91 for India, and put your number. After filling the number, now it is asking for these body fields, body field 1, 2, 3, 4. So what are these body fields? So let me open my template for you. So this is our template outstock, and here you can see I have this message, hi, this 1, 2, 3, and 4. So this is the body fields actually in double curly braces. This is the first body field, second, third, and the fourth. So after this hi, I want to put the name of the person who is receiving the message, and this is an alert informing that the product name. So in this second body field, I'm going to enter or map the product's name, and in the ID field, I'm going to map or enter the product ID, and in here, I'm going to enter the name of my WooCommerce store. All right. So here in Pabbly, because these are the variable things which is going to change. Let's say you want to send message to many persons. So after this hi, in the first body field, the name is going to change. The product name can change. You can have many products. So as and when any product can go out of stock, so the second body field can change. The ID number is obviously going to change. All right. So to change these variables dynamically whenever you send a message, you have to map these body fields or enter the value of these body fields here in Pabbly Connect. So in the first body field, you just have to enter the name of the person to whom you send the message. So in this case, this person is me, so I'm entering my name. All right. After this, second body field, let's see. So in the second body field, we are going to map the product's name. So you'll find the product name, I think in this WooCommerce. Yeah, here is the product name. Map this product name. And in the body field, click here, and what we are going to put ID. We are going to map the ID of the product in this body field. Click on this WooCommerce option and you will find the ID also. Map it. And in the body field 4, we are going to put the name of our store. So let's manually enter the name of the store. I think we do not have the information of that in this. So it is showing the link of that store. Okay, you can map the link of the store also. Just map it. Now when I click here on save and send test request, this data will be delivered to the WhatsApp number of mine according to this template. All right, so let me click here. And it started showing this type of response received. So we have received a new message here. Let's check in the WhatsApp, and it is saying, hey Aqib Khan, this is an alert informing you that the product name Canon DSLR ID this has gone out of stock. Regards, and this is the link that I have mapped. All right, so this is the same details that I have filled here or mapped here in these body fields like this. So our connection is working very well. Now let me give you a quick recap what we have done here. So first of all, in this trigger, we choose the application as WooCommerce. Then with the help of this URL, we connected our WooCommerce store. After this, we captured the response by making another purchase, and the response is captured like this. Then we applied the filter. Then whenever this label, this stock status label starts showing out of stock, then only we are going to send the message. All right, so the condition met true. And then we applied the application which is 360 Dialog to send messages on WhatsApp. We selected the template we are going to use. Then we entered and mapped the required details and body fields which we have in our template. Then when I click here on save and send test request, we saw that we have received the message here and the connection is working fine. Now click on save. Now let me tell you one more important thing, guys, that you can run this workflow by using free Pabbly Connect account 100 times in a month, because free Pabbly Connect account gives you 100 free tasks every month. So if 100 tasks are sufficient for your working, you can use Pabbly Connect for free forever. Also, we are going to paste the link of this same workflow in the description box, and by using that link, you can access this workflow in your free Pabbly Connect account and start using it.
So guys, this is it for today's video. If you want any other type of integration, you can contact us at admin@pabbly.com. You can ask your queries and discuss it from this forum, and check the pricing of this software from this link. And guys, as we did today, you can make many different type of integrations using many different softwares by Pabbly Connect and automate your business with Pabbly Connect. So guys, do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel, and thank you so much for watching this video.